Of course I miss her. She's my daughter. Of course I miss her. We have sold our car. Got our boxes packed in here. Bam, 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 bam. Kind of full. What up, y'all? Israel back on another video. Today is actually it's the middle of the day. I have not been filming. No, I have not been. Because I've been busy. I've been trying to sell this car. Had buyers, have people come, have people check it out. But no, that's kind of like what I've been going through today, y'all. And it's been confusing, frustrating, a lot of freaking sneaky people. I'm like, who are you? Oh, I'm Marvin. I'm here for Samantha. I'm like, okay, but you're Marvin. You're not Samantha. And then another guy was like, oh, I'm Carlos. I'm like, Carlos, who? Who the freak is Carlos? From Offer Up? I'm like, I don't know a Carlos. Like, who are you, bro? Y'all out here. Trash. When you say that you're one person and then in person you're totally different, it's called a scam, guys. So I just want to let you guys know kind of what I've been dealing with a little bit. The baby's been gone. It's bittersweet. And so she's in Ohio and she is chilling. It's been good, you know, because I've been able to get stuff done, but it's been annoying because it's like, dang, I do kind of miss her, you know. Of course I miss her. She's my daughter. Of course I miss her. We're still in the process of moving, still in the process of packing. U-Haul just called me and was like, yo, we got a trailer for you. What up? Go to Hollywood. Go up to Hollywood, get that trailer, and then skibbity did that dee. So that's what we got to do. We got to go to Hollywood, get that trailer, and skibbity that dee out of here. Because I am frustrated, and also I'm ready to leave. I'm ready to leave LA. I'm ready. This might be coming out of frustration, but I'm ready. I don't care no more. Don't care. Shoot. Clearly I'm frustrated because of the car, but whatever. So yeah, y'all, that's what it is. And about to go out with my friends and about to go chill out. About to go eat some Korean barbecue, show you guys a little bit of that. I know. Oh, the styles of homes too. Hold on. That's nice. That's nice. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, this is really good. This is good. So you guys don't mind me, right? Making sure.
Alright, I'm just making video now.
Oh. Wow. That worked. Alright, y'all. I'm back. I did not show you guys, but I went to eat with some good old friends. We went to eBay's. Once again, y'all, we went to eBay's for one last time. One last time because it is delicious. We back home now. I went to actually Home Depot to get a dolly, and I got this 2-in-1 dolly. I'm going to show you real quick. So it's like a actual dolly, and then it shrinks down to this type thing. It's pretty legit. I like it, actually. I really like it. And then it folds up flat too. It says that it can carry 300 pounds. 300 pounds. I'm like, I ain't 300, so it might be. It will be able to carry me. To move these boxes, to move this stuff into the trailer, which I'm going to get tomorrow. And then we're gonna move all this stuff into that cargo trailer and just keep moving. Right now, we need to keep packing. I got a lot of stuff. Look at this. All that. Yep. All that stuff needed. That couch need to go. The table need to go. And all this stuff need to get packed there. So I still got a lot. I still got a lot of stuff to do. I just looked at myself how crazy I look. Yeah, so we got a lot to do. I know, right? I know, stupid. What are you doing? So yeah, we got a lot to do, y'all, and I gotta get into it. We probably gonna be working another good 3 hours trying to pack and move all this stuff. So I'll check in with you guys later. Alright, y'all, back at it again. Today's a new day, a sad day, but also a good day. Sad, we have sold our car. Officially let our car go. Suki number 1 is no longer, actually that's Super number 2. Suki number 2 is no longer here. It's a little bit sad. You know, we have so many memories in that car. That's when I first bought that car. When Jasmine and I first were dating. We didn't date that long, honestly. I was like, yo, girl, you want to marry me or not? Do you want to get with this or do you want to get with that? So yeah, that we got great memories in that car. Going on dates, going on I was working for the Browns at that time, going through school, going through courses, going to California, coming back, getting my first job, getting her first job. Lord, everything is in that last car that we had. Car, at the end of the day, is just a car. It has memories, but at the end of the day, it's just a car. It's just a material thing that if you need to get rid of it, just get rid of it. Yeah, y'all, that's what we did today. It was a struggle, not gonna lie. It felt like a bunch of scams and schemers and offer up trash. First of all, y'all trash. Hate offer up. Y'all got scammers and schemers in here. Like I said in the last video, yo, you had different people. Oh yeah, it's Chris. Chris? Who the heck is Chris? I'm trying to talk to Jonathan. Who is Chris? Oh, I'm his friend. Bruh, get out my face. Y'all scamming, scheming, conniving. OfferUp has shown me that I can't trust people. That's how OfferUp showed me. I hate it. I don't like the app. Yeah, y'all, this is where we at right now. This is what we're trying to do. Just sold the car. Suki number 2 out of the game. Now on to new adventures, new endeavors. On to that.
1.5 miles, take the Vermont Avenue exit.
Okay, Google, shoot. Okay, yeah, guys, I'm about to get going. Oh, let me show you LA real quick. Yo, what up, y'all? We got a lot to pack today, and we're gonna do it, okay? At the end of the day, we're gonna do it. We're gonna get it done. Like how we sold that car, we're gonna get it done, okay? Get it done, get this journey started. But let's get into this day. Got the U-Haul trailer, and I'm starting to put stuff into the U-Haul trailer. This place is starting to echo. You hear that? It's starting to clear out. So the thing about movie is it's like Tetris. Just to be real, it's like Tetris, and you're just trying to get all the stuff just into the space as best as you can. So yeah, guys, I'm just pretty much in the process of moving right now. In the process of moving all this. We did sell this rack that was over here. We just sold it. About to sell this couch right here. That table, that's another story. We might take it, we might not. I don't know. But we still got all this over here. All that. So all that gotta fit in the 4x8 cargo space. And I think these boxes right here are gonna fit in the car pretty well. 1, 2, 3. I think 4 boxes max are what is going to fit in the car. But yo, the trip is about to happen. I'm excited, but this moving process is annoying. And I'm sweaty. I smell like trash. Yeah, I just got to keep moving, y'all. All right, y'all. So we got our boxes situated in our truck cargo space. What? I'm filming. Oh. She like, what? Hi. Who you talking to? We got our boxes packed in here. Look at all that. Bam, bam, bam. Bam. Kind of full. And then show you our little hitch situation, what we got going on as well. Bam, bam, bam. Bam. Bam, 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 bam. All that in there. Yep. That's us right there doing our thing. So, yeah. We getting the packing situation packing. I'm tired, but we still got more packing to do. My little scoot right here. Then I'm gonna take that out a little bit and kind of see, just get some relaxation, because this is a little stressful. I don't know why, but look at all this stuff we got going. It's gone, y'all. We sold that table, y'all. We sold that other stuff, y'all. Look over here. Ooh, it's gone, y'all. It's gone, y'all. It's gone, y'all. It's gone, y'all. So, in our bedroom, it's gone, y'all. It's gone, y'all. In our closet, too, it's gone, y'all. It's gone, y'all. And then in our bathroom, it's almost gone. Almost. We still got a few more things. We got this medicine cabinet. Gotta get this changing table, break it down. All right, y'all, I gotta get back to work, so I'll catch in with y'all in a little bit.